Hey guys, this is Michael with North End Motors. You can like and subscribe for more tips and tricks that we're going to be showing you today with this 2017 Lincoln MKZ Reserve. Today we're going to be showing you the easy lock, easy unlock, easy entry function. It works when you have your keys right here and our masks. The keys right here, see it? Right there in our pocket. You come over here, press this, locks, press this right here, unlocks. We can lock it again, easy access, locked again, locked, closes back up. We're also going to be taking another video on the keyless entry retrieval code here that we can see when we do this. This code right here works in a similar way to our past video on the Ford, as it is a Ford product as well, and we're going to see that with the two different keys that we're going to need. So remember to like and subscribe for tips and tricks. And we're here 390 Turnpike Street, 9 to 7 today, 9 to 7 tomorrow through Thursday, and then 9 to 6 Friday and 9 to 5 on Saturday. Look forward to seeing you guys, and have a great day.